guys, hope you're all having a good day. Can you believe how fast October is flying by? I swear the month is almost over and it seems like it just started. It's so crazy. Tell me in the comments, what is your favorite thing about this time of year?
Carving pumpkins.
Carving pumpkins, that's a good one. We're just getting ready to carve pumpkins. I love having little activities like this to do like at the beginning of the day because it's getting everyone up and going and cleaning. Did you clean your room up? Good girl.
I cleaned all my stuff out last night.
That's such a good girl.
And now you can't clean up.
And now you can't clean up because it's already all cleaned up? I see. I really love when the leaves change colors. Okay. Okay, I really wanted to wait until Casey was home to carve pumpkins, but it looks like it's happening. We're carving pumpkins. Rayleigh doesn't have a pumpkin yet.
Nope. Hey guys.
We are waiting for Casey to go and get big pumpkins, but the kids got these little pumpkins from school. They've been begging me for days to carve them, so we are carving pumpkins. They really just want to open these tools. The knives. Hey, carefully, because these are sharp. These are really sharp. They're sharp enough. They're sharp enough to cut pumpkins, so you have to be super duper careful.
Hey guys, I'm doing that one.
I love it.
So that one's tail. That one's tail. That one's one. That one's red.
Doing.
That one's two. That is that was
The hardest one. Yep.
If you think I'm annoying, hit the bell.
Winston.
What?
You're not annoying. You just need to calm down sometimes. If you think I'm annoying, hit the bell.
Okay, I got some
Okay. Oh, do you want to draw your own pumpkin, your own thing, or do you want to use the bats?
I'm gonna cut this one.
Okay, we need to cut the top off first, and then we'll use this to scoop it out. I'm gonna go get a bowl for all of the guts. And then we'll clean it and we'll cook the pumpkin seeds.
To make pumpkin pie?
Yeah.
We could make pumpkin pie?
Not with the insides. The pumpkin pie comes from like the stuff that you'll keep on the pumpkin. But we'll eat the seeds because pumpkin seeds are so yummy.
Yesterday we built a rocket and I want to show you it. No. This is Ray's side and this is mine. That's Ray's. I did that. Yeah, wait, you show inside. Guys, look in here. Look, guys, I did it in here. And which one do you want?
Are they exactly the same?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Can you cut this?
I'm gonna start the top and then I'm gonna let you cut very, very carefully. I'm gonna sit right by you and slow, okay? And then I'll help you cut the top off of yours, okay, Layla? Okay, we cut this out and it's just too big for this little pumpkin, darn it. So Layla is drawing a face and we're gonna cut it out. So she has her eyes started. Okay, can you do a little nose? Where does the nose go? Can you show me? Good. Ooh. Okay, and a big, big mouth. You see like this? Like that? These big, big mouths. So you want a big, big. Past the eyes, you want a big, big mouth, okay?
Mom,
good.
can we do a face on the...
Keep going. Oh, I like it. Do you like that face?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you can do that. I think maybe Layla would have liked to just paint a pumpkin. I'm gonna cut that out, is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll hurry and cut it out, okay?
I don't want to draw the lipstick.
But I'm gonna cut all this mouth out. So I'll cut all the lipstick off.
It's okay.
It's okay, okay. Winston's super bummed about the spider situation. I thought maybe there was a way that we could make them fit, but I just don't think so. So he's super bummed, darn it.
This is something in my face.
Ready?
I got it.
Nice. That's pretty darn cute, sis. You like it? Is that good? You did a good job. Let's see yours, Winston.
What's it?
Okay.
Does it look cute?
It looks super cute. Let's see it.
I did a triangle.
A triangle nose. I like it.
So my mom's gonna go roast the pumpkin seeds from the kids' pumpkin, and we're gonna go give this to the chickens. It's really gross. I'm scared. Because I hate the chickens. Oh, I just tripped. Go. The chickens attack you. Oh, whoa. The chickens attack you, so we're throwing this in to distract them so they don't attack us. Winston, walk faster, bro. Okay, Winston, I'm gonna give this to them while you're taking the stuff out there, okay? Okay, hurry, Winston, go get it while they're distracted.
I'm baking pumpkin seeds for the first time. Here they are. Hopefully I've done everything right. Hopefully they turn out right. I love pumpkin seeds so much. I buy them all the time. I don't know why I've never made them.
Hey guys, look.
Seems so silly.
Did I show you my pumpkin yet?
Oh yeah, let's go check out Winston's pumpkin and Layla's pumpkin. They're finished.
This one's mine and this one's Leia's.
I love them. Okay, so I heard that if you do like some type of an oil, like on the inside, I still need to clean this out a little bit better, but around like where you cut, that it helps to keep it fresh and helps it so it doesn't go rotten. So I just did that on here, but it's been in between like getting the stuff ready over there.
There's so much stuff in
Yeah,
yours.
Layla still has stuff in hers too. So anyways, I don't know if that's true. I hope it is. So I've just put oil around
Do I like
everywhere
mine?
that we've cut.
It's my. Do I like my stem? It's
I
pointing
really like
straight.
it. Yep.
And mine looks scary because that one's pointing down. and that
Yep,
one's
super
pointing up.
spooky.
And there's dogs.
These look like zombie pumpkins.
And that's done.
Zombie jack-o'-lanterns. Yeah, that looks like
A
its
zombie.
face is rotting.
And it looks like
You guys did good.
mascara.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Mascara.
Layla's trying to put mascara on hers. You cuties. Okay, I'm putting these in the oven. I will show you when they're done. Fingers crossed so tight that they come out good.
That.
Okay, we're putting our pumpkins out on the porch.
Mine fell.
Winston already did. He couldn't wait. Where do you want to put? Where are you gonna put yours, Sissy?
You should put it right here in the middle.
No, you can't put it in the middle. Put it somewhere on the stairs. Winston put his right here.
Yeah.
You want to put yours right here on the bottom stair? Darn cute, Layla. Let's turn the face. Look at that. I love it.
Mine is looking at the sky.
I like it. Good job.
Mine is looking at a cloud.
Yeah. Okay, good job. Come on, Rose. Come on. Good girl. Come on, come on. I think our pumpkin seeds are done. They look good. We're letting them cool, and then we're gonna give them a try. You excited? You love pumpkin seeds? We love pumpkin seeds.
I ate one on a trip with Zayden.
You did? You ready to try some? They look pretty good. They smell good, huh? They smell a lot better now that they're cooked than when we were carving the pumpkins. Yeah. And
Except mine, outside.
yeah, you put yours outside.
I'm dancing, I'm dancing, I'm dancing, I'm dancing.
Okay, we're gonna try one. Hold on, let's all try it. Oh. Good or not? Good? Here you go. Here, no. This is still a little bit hot. Here you go. Okay, gonna try it? Is it good? So good? Is it better than the ones in the package? Okay, I'm trying one now. So good. Okay, I'll put some in a bowl for you guys. Hold on. I seasoned it with, I put olive oil, salt, pepper, a little garlic salt, and then put it on the baking sheet or the baking pan, and then I put a bunch of this on it.
I can't handle them.
So good, you guys.
I can't handle them.
Put this on your pumpkin seeds. It's so good, huh? Because you can taste the lime. Oh my gosh. So good. Okay, we're gonna be carving a lot more pumpkins and making a lot more seeds. What do you think? Oh look, should we give one to Rosie? I bet she won't like it. I don't know if they're good.
I like them.
She liked it?
So you want this?
I also saw that you can make them in the air fryer. So maybe next time we'll try it in the air fryer and see if we like that too. Why not? Rosie said no thank you. They're the pumpkin seeds that they tried to feed her. Layla, let me see those karate moves. Whoa, watch out for this one. Look at you. Look at that. That's fast. Whoa. How cute is this hairstyle? Dun, 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 dun.
We are going to Grandma Lori tomorrow.
Yeah, we are going to go have some dinner with Grandma Laurie, huh? Because Daddy's hunting with Grandpa Carl.
With him, Dad.
Yeah, with his dad.
But him will be there tomorrow.
Nope, he won't. Maybe they'll come home. I don't know.
I don't know. I
do know I like those karate moves. There's some fast hands, fast feet. Oh. We're doing some crafts tonight because it's just me and Layla home.
Not with him.
The boys are hanging out with our neighbor.
They have hunting day.
Yep. Rayleigh's on a date. Well, actually with some friends, but I like it. Go very slowly. Okay, and I'm trying to get my crafts finished up so I can put a video up this year. Fall craft video, which is like old news now because people are moving on to Christmas, but I still wanted to just upload it. I don't know what it is, like
Mom, guess what I
crafting and not filming is one thing, crafting and filming is another. I get way too in my head when I know that I'm going to be filming a craft.
Guess what I did
What?
Dot my name.
You what?
I put it in the paint. I got my name.
You did? Serious? That's awesome. Great job.
But I'm going to tell why. I did it with the paint.
Okay.
And I leave it at my school because so it can dry.
Oh, awesome. I can't wait to see it.
When it's autumn drying.
Yeah. Oh, man. Anyways, I do need to like get this finished up and then move on. If I am going to do any Christmas crafts, I need to move on. I think I'm going to do... Whoa. I think that's not paint that we should use. This looks like a glob of almost dried up gross paint. So let's not use that glob, okay? Because that's pretty gross. We'll just leave it right there on the paper, okay? I usually do like an advent calendar every year, and I think this year I have some like that are already put together that I got from Michael's. And I think this year I'm just going to have the kids like paint and decorate them and then put little toys in them. I'm not gonna like make one, but I also have one from last year that I did make and I filmed it and I didn't get it put up in time, so maybe I'll do that one as well. I loved here you go, right? I loved mine from last year. It was all dollar store supplies. I'll leave it linked down below in case you are wanting one to make. I loved making it. It was so fun, and I just love how it turned out. It was like just a really good advent calendar that I liked, and it was like $5 or something. It was fun. Yeah, you can wait until that dries and then you can move on. Is that what you want to do?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And put that way down.
Okay, where are you going now?
I'm gonna go play for a little bit.
Okay.
I'm gonna go.
She's over it.
I'm seeing that
She's over it.
in this book.
Okay. Oh, I made the advent calendar out of like signs like this. So if you're wanting to make one, they might still have these at Hobby Lobby.
and
Grab a
that's
few.
my
It's just a really good size. And then you can see it looks like wood cut out up through here, which is why I use these, because then you can make it look like fake wood. These signs are great. And there's a lot of different things that you can do with them. I am using these ones that I just got. I think they're fall. Yeah, they're fall.
Mom, look at my big fat balloon.
Hold on.
One.
Hold on. I got a couple of these because I'm going to be using the back to create some Christmas signs this year. So those are always good to have because you can glue them together. You can make them bigger. You can make them look like they're like pieces of wood glued together. There's just a lot of things. If you love crafts and you want to craft on a budget, seriously look up Dollar Tree crafts. You'll be amazed. I'm shocked always.
Guys.
Did you do that? Good job. Whoa, whoa. Okay, I'm gonna start crafting.